Washing your car at home can be fun and satisfying, especially when you use foam to clean it. Two popular tools that create foam are the foam gun and the foam cannon. Both look similar, but they work in different ways and give different results. Here are some key differences between the two in simple and easy words. A foam gun uses a garden hose, while a foam cannon needs a pressure washer to work properly. The foam cannon creates thicker and creamier foam, while the foam gun makes lighter and runnier foam. Thicker foam sticks to the car longer, helping to loosen dirt more effectively. Foam cannons provide deep cleaning because the foam sticks longer and lifts more dirt. This makes them ideal for heavily soiled or detailed car washes. Foam guns are better for light washing or maintenance cleaning. They are perfect for quick washes or when your car is not very dirty. Foam guns use low pressure, but foam cannons use high pressure, which helps produce denser foam. The strong pressure of a foam cannon gives better dirt removal, while the foam gun offers gentle cleaning for delicate surfaces. Foam guns are easy to use, just connect and spray. Foam cannons need a bit more setup and experience to use correctly. The foam gun is great for quick use, while the foam cannon suits users who like detailed and professional cleaning. A foam gun only needs a hose, while a foam cannon needs a pressure washer and specific connectors. The foam gun is simple and convenient, while the foam cannon setup delivers more powerful results. Foam guns are cheaper and budget-friendly. Foam cannons are more expensive due to the need for a pressure washer. The foam gun is ideal for saving money, while the foam cannon gives better value for those who wash cars often. Foam cannons use less soap because of strong pressure. Foam guns may consume more soap and water to make enough foam. The foam cannon helps save products, while the foam gun might require refilling more often. Foam guns are light and portable, making them easy to move around. Foam cannons are heavier due to the attached pressure washer. The foam gun is perfect for moving freely, while the foam cannon is better kept in one spot during washing. Foam guns are beginner-friendly, while foam cannons are better for detailers or car care lovers. The foam gun is simple for anyone to handle, while the foam cannon gives a professional touch for experts. Foam cannons cover the car more evenly and faster, while foam guns may need extra passes to cover all areas. The foam gun may leave light spots, but the foam cannon ensures thick coverage all over the car. Foam guns are quiet, while foam cannons are loud because pressure washers make noise during use. The foam gun is peaceful to use anytime, while the foam cannon's sound shows its strong cleaning power. Foam guns use more water since the hose has continuous flow. Foam cannons use less water, but with higher pressure. The foam gun can waste some water, while the foam cannon cleans effectively with less. Both are safe, but foam cannons provide better protection because thicker foam reduces contact with dirt while scrubbing. The foam gun works well for regular washes, but the foam cannon helps prevent scratches on the paint. Foam cannons clean faster since they produce rich foam that breaks down dirt quickly. Foam guns take a bit longer to achieve the same result. The foam gun gives steady cleaning results, while the foam cannon saves time with stronger foam action. For heavy dirt or professional detailing, foam cannon wins. For quick and simple car washes, foam gun is perfect. The foam gun fits casual users, while the foam cannon is best for those who want showroom-level shine. If your goal is to get thick, clingy foam that stays on the car and helps remove tough dirt easily, the foam cannon definitely produces better foam. It delivers a smooth, shaving cream-like layer that clings to the paint and loosens grime effectively. Foam guns are easy to rinse and store, making maintenance simple and quick. The foam gun saves time after washing. Foam cannons need more care and cleaning after use to keep them working properly. While the foam cannon requires a bit more effort, but stays in good condition longer. Foam guns use normal tap water, which is quick and simple to set up. Foam cannons can handle warm water, which improves cleaning results by loosening dirt more easily. Using warm water also helps the soap foam better and clean stubborn grime faster. However, if you want a quick wash without spending much or don't own a pressure washer, the foam gun is still a good choice. It gives decent foam, is simple to handle, and works well for regular cleaning. With the right choice, your car wash routine can become faster, safer, and more enjoyable, all while keeping your car shining clean.